Hello, welcome to Chemistry 162. I'm your instructor, Mike Ferguson. Pleasure to meet you. I'm in the La Lima page, and this is kind of like to show you how the class works and what to do, go on with things. And if you look through here, we have the IDAB access code and the Mastering Chemistry course ID. So what you do with that is you go to masteringchemistry.com, and here is Mastering Chemistry, and you register. So you have your instructor's course ID, you register now. So you'll put that course ID. So this is the course ID, and then it'll ask for an access code. Here is the access code there. So those two things will get you signed up for the class in Mastering Chemistry. But I'm just going to go ahead and sign in to show you. So once you sign in, this is what the class looks like. So here is I'm making this in December before my finals are over, if you're wondering. Well, it's December 9th right now. No, it's 10th, December 10th. I know it's probably January for you. Congratulations on making it to year 2021. I'm still stuck in 2020. And Pearson can be slow. All right, Pearson, don't fail me now. Pearson is frequently like this, unfortunately. You gotta give it a cajole wop sometime. Come on. All right, well, Pearson's thinking. I guess I can talk about the syllabus. Well, let me show you the course. If you had me for Chemistry 161, welcome back. If you are having me for the first time, let me show you some of the course here. So here's chapter 12, and this is TRO, Chemistry and Molecular Approach, 5th edition. Here's learning outcomes. And I have the blank notes. You can click here. Here are the blank notes. You can print these out. You can download them to a tablet. And then I'm not going to press play so that this is my lesson. And then here are the finished lecture notes. So you have what I've written on there. So you can see the problems and see what I've done. So you have blank notes so you can follow along. You have completed notes that you can review, and you have the lectures for this. And then when you're done with that, do the homework. And it's still thinking. We could know. Okay. I'm sorry. Oh, you just opened my class. This is what you love about Pearson. Okay, so it's going to look a little different for you. I know I'm joking around about Pearson, but it is frustrating, and you're probably frustrated too. But they're about as good as they get. Cengage is actually worse, apparently. I don't really work with Cengage. But here are the assignments, so let me pick one. Chapter 12. So you have the homework there, and here is a test 1, chapter 12, 13, and 14. This is due the 3rd of February. And test 2, the next 2 chapters, is due March 3rd. Test 3, next 2 chapters is due April 1st. And then the next 3 chapters, test 4, is due on May 5th. And then you have the final exam. That's due at the end of finals week, so May 14th. So these are the due dates. They're here. They're also in the syllabus. Let me go back here. So back to syllabus. And here is the syllabus. Let me expand all. So zooming along. I haven't set my office hours yet, so don't look at that yet. So this is Gen Chem 2. I already mentioned the required materials. And here is the grading right here. And we have optional forums. You don't have to do them if you don't want to. And here's required statements on COVID-19 and Title IX. I like to mention I'm also a safe zone advocate, so I can provide some services to you if you have some safe zone issues. But also remember, I'm not a confidential source, and I'm also required as a responsible person under Title IX to report any types of domestic or sexual abuse and violence. So please keep that in mind that I am required by law to do so. But I don't want you to not use that as an excuse not to come see me if you have any issues. So I do enjoy helping people. So if you have an issue, and this is not just safe zone issues, this is everything. feel free to ask me. I'll email you weekly, usually twice at the very least, sometimes more if there's other issues. Well, in the beginning, you'll get a lot of emails from me, but I usually send you a reminder email on stuff for the due dates, and then I kind of send you an uplifting email because right now life is difficult. Hopefully, hopefully 2021 comes around, the pandemic melts away, and I can go back to going to the gym and not have to fret every time I forget to wash my hands and touch my face. So that's what I'm looking forward to. But okay, this is just a brief overview of the class. So please let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you soon. Aloha.